Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of hand soaps, specifically the best Mrs. Meyer's Hand Soap for Fall, the Acorn Spice Edition. This hand soap isn't just your average cleanser. It's a delightful blend of seasonal scents and premium ingredients, making it a must-have for any autumn enthusiast. Let's break down what makes this Mrs. Meyer's hand soap stand out from the rest. Firstly, it's infused with essential oils, including the warm and inviting aroma of acorn spice, along with hints of cinnamon and vanilla. Imagine the comforting scent of a cozy autumn day in every pump. But it's not just about the fragrance. This hand soap is formulated with thoughtfully chosen ingredients like olive oil and aloe vera, ensuring that your hands are not only clean but also nourished and moisturized with every wash. And here's the cherry on top. Mrs. Meyer's is committed to sustainability. Their products are cruelty-free and made without parabens, phthalate, or artificial colors. So you can feel good about the impact you're making on the planet while enjoying the luxurious experience of this hand soap. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your hand-washing routine this fall, look no further than Mrs. Meyer's Acorn Spice Hand Soap. With its irresistible scent, nourishing formula, and commitment to sustainability, it's the perfect addition to any home. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, happy washing!